Hey neighbor, Big Ben Thiessen here with RE/MAX Executives and welcome to North Kildonan. I am so excited about this property this morning. It's incredible. We're talking 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, fully fenced backyard, double insulated garage. So many great updates and features here. Fantastic layout. Worth taking a look. Let's go check it out. What an incredible backyard we've got here. It's fully fenced in. You've got a gazebo area, you got patio space, so much great space for your family. It's private, it's secluded. You got a double insulated garage. You've got 2 additional car parking pad on the side. Love it. Well, I guess that'll conclude our tour here at 1076 Mcleod Avenue. If you're anyone you know has any questions about this property, maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments below or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor. Do you notice we started doing the double tap? I want to be your realtor. Did you notice that? That's authoritative. I do. Me. This guy. Right here. Realtor.
Wait, who?
Me. Right here. Yeah, I'm really up on this. Like, I care about people's feelings.
Who told you this?
I don't know, I read it somewhere. It's from a meme. I read it in a meme somewhere. Look at that, updated windows.